Salt is a preservative. It preserves something from corruption, from decay. As salt on the earth, we are preservatives to preserve the beauty of creation. Preserve it from being corrupted, to preserve it from being destroyed. Jesus says we are the salt that will preserve what God has created so that it is not destroyed. If we do not have the capacity, Jesus Christ would not say that we are salt. That he proclaimed that we are salt means that we have the capacity. We have the capacity to bring healing in a dying world. We have the capacity to bring healing in a world that is corrupted. Salt enhances the taste of our meals. Salt adds taste to our meals. God has brought us into the world through Christ to enhance the earth, to bring out the brightness of the earth, to bring out the beauty of the earth. We add value to our environment. We add value to wherever we find ourselves. We add value to creation. He said again, you are the light of the world. Our influence is not only on the earth, on the planet earth, but our influence goes beyond the planet earth to the whole world. In the like of the sun. The sun does not shine just on the earth, but the sun shines all over the whole world, touching every planet. We share in the divine nature of Jesus Christ. You know, Jesus Christ is called by the scripture the Son of Justice, S-U-N. The Son of Justice. So we share in that divine nature of Jesus Christ. The way the moon shares in the light from the sun is how we share. We are not really the light. We are not the light. He is the light. We are not the sun. He is the one carrying light. He is the light. But we share by adoption in his nature, just the way moon shares in the nature of sun. I want us to understand the difference between light and darkness. Light, as we have it, has a source. If you're asked to define light, what is light? Maybe you'll be struggling with a definition that is an emission from a source, maybe from the sun, or radiation from the sun, or an effect of the sun, a radiation from a bulb. It has a source. But you may also discover that darkness has no source. And if you realize that darkness has no source, and we are light that dispels darkness, you discover that our work is easy. Darkness cannot be defined without reference to light. If you want to define darkness, what is darkness? You will say absence of light. And Jesus Christ says, we are the light. The world experiences darkness if we are absent. Because darkness is absence of light. It's just like evil. The symbol of evil is darkness. And the symbol of good is light. So, evil is absence of goodness. Where there is good, evil disappears like darkness. Where there is light, evil disappears. That shows that light and darkness, according to the scripture, light and darkness cannot stay together. Light and darkness cannot stay together. Once light is introduced, darkness disappears. Wherever we are introduced, be it in a community, if we are really what God has created us to be it in a community, in a group, or in an environment, wherever we are introduced as light, darkness disappears. Evil disappears from that environment. If that is what we are, what kind of persons should we be? What kind of life should we be living? Are we conscious of what we are? Are you always conscious of the fact that you are the salt of the earth? Are you conscious of the fact that you are the light of the world, that apart from you, everywhere is darkness? Could it be that the salt is losing its saltiness? And the light, maybe the moon has been separated from the sun, so that the moon is no longer sharing in the light from the sun. Because in our world today, on the Mother Earth, evil is increasing. The earth is decaying. The earth is becoming old, being destroyed. We might be crying to Jesus Christ for salvation, for help, to heal the world, to heal our Mother Earth. But you are the salt of the earth. What are you doing? In your own environments, what are you doing? We are losing our light because our relationship with Jesus Christ is dimming. So light in us is dimming and darkness is increasing.